Hello everyone and welcome to another OrCAD X how-to video. My name is Adam, and in this video we will give a brief overview of topology exploration in OrCAD X 25.1. Now the main function of topology exploration, or commonly shortened as TopXp, is to extract signals not in their ideal form and to simulate them. We want to see how they exist in the current layout or the current topology of the board that we are working on. Now, analyzing a signal in such a way will give us results such as the time domain waveforms, eye diagrams, and plenty of other useful analysis parameters. We can click on View 3D Geometry. This will give us a nice preview of what the topology actually looks like in the physical view. So we can see that there is a pin on the top layer here and a single via coming down into one of these layers and then being routed across that layer and then coming up to the other pin also on the top layer. So once we see the topology workbench window pop up, you can see the entire topology mapped out from the driver, for example, through the trace to the via, to the trace in our internal layer, to the via, coming up to the trace on the top layer, to the pad of our receiver. So from here, we're ready to essentially analyze our signal as it exists in our layout.